Hello there, this is Madhumita. Welcome back to my channel. So when we say cut crease, the first thing that always comes to my mind that I am cutting my crease using a knife. So I came up with this idea to create this eye look. And on today's video, I'm gonna show you how I will do this. Then without wasting time, let's jump into the video. For eye look, I'm using Morphe 35B eyeshadow palette, and first I'm taking this black eyeshadow pebble and applying on my crease line. Then using the same brush, I'm diffusing the edges. After that, using a clean blending brush, I'm blending the edges. Now I'm applying concealer on my eyelid. Then using a brush, cutting my crease and cleaning my eyelid. Then setting it using powder. Now using Nykaa Black Magic Liquid Liner, I am creating winged eyeliner. Now I am taking L18 Colourpop's Matte Lipstick Rockstar Red and applying on my cut crease line. Then applying chicory on it. Now I am again taking this color pebble and applying on cut crease line. Now I am priming my face using Maybelline 24K Gold Gel Base Primer and applying all over my face. For foundation, I am using L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation Golden Beige and applying all over my face. Then using a damp beauty blender, blending this all. For concealer, I am using Maybelline Newer Fit Me Concealer Medium and applying under my eyes, around nose, nose tip, on chin, on forehead, bridge of my nose and around lips. Then again blending this all. Now to set this all, I am using Elegal Age Pro Setting Powder Translucent. Now to contour my face, I am using this color from NYX Professional Makeup Highlight and Contour Pro Palette Matte Finish and applying on cheekbone, on jawline, on hairline and on nose. Then for blush, I am using this color Pom Pom from the palette and applying on cheeks and on nose. Now to highlight my face, I am using this color from Revolution Pro 4K Highlighter Palette Gold and applying on cheeks, on nose tip, on chin, bridge of my nose and on forehead. I am also highlighting my brow bone and inner corner using the same color. Now I am drawing a knife using NYX Professional Makeup Eyeshadow Base White. Then outlining and giving shape using same eyeliner. Then drawing blood droplet using the same lipstick. Then slowly detailing this. Now applying pebble on my lower lash line. Then tight lining my waterline using NYX Professional Makeup Wonder Pencil Light. Then applying Maybelline Your Volume Express Hypercurl Mascara on my lashes. Now for lips, I'm using PAC Color Lock Long Lasting Lip Liner Upper Class. Then applying a lip gloss. Then using a Q-tip, I'm applying fake blood on my eyelid. And corner of my eyes. So this is the complete look. Let me know how much you love this look by commenting down. And make sure you like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So see you on next video. Till then, stay safe, spread love. Bye bye.